Dreadful Whale. Meet with Anton Sokolov to discuss your next steps before taking the skiff to the Dust District. Oh, the Dust District. Okay. Escaping detection. Okay.
3 years ago, Delilah was laying her plans. The Duke's people gathered at the home of a mine baron named Aramis Stilton to commit some horror in her name. I need to know how they made her immortal. But where was I 3 years ago? Letting Emily daydream through council meetings, teaching her fencing and back alley fighting. I always expected an enemy we could put down with a sword. Soldiers, spies, assassins. Instead, we got something else. Beyond the pale. Beyond the natural world. Instead, we got hit by someone like me.
Yeah. Alright then. The Royal Conservatory. In the end, it wasn't me who stopped Kira Jindosh. It was his own vanity. He built a machine to destroy intellect, hoping perhaps to use it on a rival like Sokolov. Jindosh never imagined it would be used on his own mind. The greatest intellect of our day reduced to that of a confused child. So there will be no more clockwork soldiers. That part of Duke Abel's plan is ruined. I bet that gets his attention. And I've rescued Anton Sokolov. What's left of him anyway? The man has aged since last I saw him. The intellect, it's still there, I hope. But physically, he struggles in every way to walk. To eat, to piss. Conditions, on the best exasperate his discomfort. Still, there's nothing to be done. For now, the Dreadful Whale is his only home. Delilah in the Void. I was in the Void, only this time it wasn't the outsider who met me there. It was Delilah, Copperspoon. She's grown in power somehow, wanted me to see things through her eyes. She showed me her mother, left to die in a debtor's prison, and Jessamine, her half-sister, pampered in the luxury of her palace, Dunwall Tower. Silk's fine tutors, grand feasts, while Delilah hid in the kitchen. Their shared father, Emperor Arkane Kaldwin, with his empty promises, telling Delilah she'd be a princess too, and soon. This was the past she wanted me. She wanted me to see it. I wish I knew if it were all lies. Some of it has the ring of truth. Brianna Ashworth is my target. Brianna Ashworth, creator of the Royal Conservatory. I don't think she's from Karnaca. Originally, I've seen evidence of her visit to Jindosh's mansion, and Sokolov confirmed that she's one of Delilah's lieutenants. I wonder if he keeps the same sort of surprises up her sleeves. Sokolov heard conversations about a device being built under Ashworth's supervision, the Oraculum. Something tells me it has nothing to do with the artistic enlightenment of the masses. And after hours' visit to the Royal Conservatory, will give me the answers I need. Awesome. I always check this room just in case there's something. Confer with your allies. Powers. We've got 2 runes. How much whalebone do we have now? Raw whalebone. We have 24. We could make 3 runes. Wait, no, not 3. Yeah, 2 of them. Sacrifice runes. Runes carried. Rune whalebone value 8. So it's 1 less than a rune. I'm tempted to make 2 more runes, but I wouldn't really use them on anything, that's the thing. What would I use them on? Honestly, I kind of regret getting the crafting thing for this. Like, yeah, it's less chance of corruption now, but I need more whalebone to be able to craft good runes. And it cost me, what, 8 runes just to get down here? It's kind of worth it, but not much. Vitality increases your health and resilience. I might get agility. And then sprint faster, nice. And catfall, take less falling damage. Yeah, those could help. So I need 3. I am tempted to, hang on, I'm just gonna take all these off. I'm tempted to... What was I gonna say? I'm tempted to turn all my bone charms into whale bones. And then use that to buy more runes, so then I can buy the rest of the vitality one, or whatever it is, the agility, that's it. Mainly because then when I get more runes, I can get stuff like bend time and shit like that. Or I need like 11 runes just to get bend time, which I can probably do. Upgrade your gear at the black market shop so unlock more slots. But I'm gonna put on the stuff that I do need. And the rest of it, I can turn into sacrificing. So, you deal greater damage with your sword. Maximum health is increased, yes, definitely. Spiritual pool. I am tempted. Yeah, I'll turn all these into stuff. There's not really anything else I need desperately, though. Like, I do have 5 Burn Charm slots, so I could just abuse that and put on 4 mana regeneration and slightly faster kind of things. So when I use an ability, I instantly can use Blink right away or something like that. Health regenerates while using Dark Vision. Yeah, that could definitely be helpful, but only by itself. I'll still turn it, though. Where white wolfhounds fight on your side. I don't need maximum health. Wolfhounds cannot smell you. I don't think I want this one either. So, now I'm gonna sacrifice Burn Charms. And now I'm going to sacrifice the ones that I need, because these turn into whale bones. A lot of whale bones as well. An enemy's something ranged attacks transform into bloodflies. I want that one. Wolfhounds can't smell you. Oh, shit. I'm not even going to bother resetting. I didn't know they could smell me to begin with, and that's probably going to get me into a lot of trouble in the future. But meh. Okay, I don't really care about fighting on my side. Your inventory is not slowed when your weapons are unsheathed. Wait, what? Oh, okay. That basically just means that, you run the same speed you do when you have your weapons in than when you do when you have your weapons out. It could be useful. Could be. Maximum health is increased. Don't care about that. Falling from significant height. Nah, I'm good. Power slash. Nope. And splintering bolts. Bloodflies attack at slightly shorter distances, slide speed is increased, stuff like that. Nice. So now I've got 54. I could craft heaps of runes with that. I can craft 6 runes. 6 runes right now. That's hilarious. And I don't think I need runes for making these bone charms, do I? I don't know. But I'm going to test it. Health regeneration. And also mana regeneration is slightly faster. Yeah. Cool. Okay, it does use burn charms. It uses 3. That's fine. I'm gonna make this 3 times. And just for the sake of it, chance of corruption low. Okay, I'm gonna save before this. Burn charms. I'll try a full one. So slide speed. Nah, actually I won't. I'm tempted. I'm very tempted. But I'm not sure. Nah, I don't need it. I'll do acrobat, just sort of like climbing speed. Go from full slightly quicker. That's combat. Powers your health regeneration. Mana regeneration. And I'll get this one, just because blood flies are a nuisance. Ooh, a cult gaver. Craft 10 burn charms. Was it slight chance that sleep darts will have no effect? Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm not doing that. I need my sleep darts. Of course, it's the one thing that stops a non-lethalist from being non-lethal. Sleep darts might have no effect some of the time. Then they're just gonna be like, oh, what's this on my back? Oh, it's nothing. I just realized that this requires 6. Holy shit. Okay. I'm probably only going to be able to make 5 runes, but that's still good. That's still very good. Actually, I am going to make a 3-1 because what was the other one I was going to put on? Blood flies? Yeah, I don't need that. Slide speed, so it was climbing speed, health regeneration, and mana. Boomba. Now let's put them on. Can I turn these burn charms back into whalebone? I wonder. Hopefully they stack. I'm literally just doing this in case they stack. If they don't stack, that's kind of stupid. But at the same time, it'd be understandable. Okay, yes, I can turn these into whalebone. I'm not going to use these ones. Oh. Shit. I wasn't thinking. I'm so used to when stuff is like equipped to you normally in games that it doesn't show up in the inventory. I'm sorry for wasting a lot of my time here, by the way. I don't know. I got a lot of whalebones in that mission, and I'm basically abusing the hell out of them now. Alright, wrong one. Perfect. Okay, now to sacrifice. And that's all. And now I can make quite a bit of runes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Wait, did I count it? Oh, I was thinking 5 runes was going to be 35, but no, it's 9. What am I thinking? Oh, 7? Okay, that's good. 5 runes is very good. So now I can get the rest of agility. It's only 1. Otherwise, I wouldn't really care about catfall because I don't fall as much. But since it's only 1, I may as well get it. So, what else should I get? Block to deflect projectiles, throw objects farther, build up adrenaline, shadow kill. Bend time! I want bend time, so I'm going to be saving up for bend time. Okay, let's save. I'm also going to delete some saves, because I hate how they don't go away. Or at least they don't store up, and it's really annoying. And also another bad thing about them not putting infinite save option is that in Dishonored 1, and I'm not sure if we'll do it in this game, but Dishonored 1, unless you had the save file for that particular mission, you couldn't replay that mission automatically. You had to go through the whole game all over again just to get to that mission, which I find really stupid. Oh, I bet she left.
My mind is finally clearing. Now I can return to my work here, helping those who need it the most. And what can I say about what you've done for me? Saved me from madness, and worse, from giving in to a life of sadistic brutality. How could I ever repay you for that? Given who you are and what you're in Karnaca to do, I can only say good luck. The city, the country, the empire, everyone is counting on you. I'll send something special for you, by way of courier. I hope it helps.
Oh? Thank you.
Well, I'm worried about making you take care of herself. Listen to me, talking to myself like the old loon I am.
Hey, Anton.
Megan.
I need to know why Delilah can't be killed. Everything we've learned implies that something strange happened at Aramis Stilton's home 3 years ago, but then he disappeared.
Stilton lived in a bunker kept secure by a fancy lock made by Jindosh. Maybe inside you'll learn more about how to stop Delilah.
But I have to get there first, through a ruin created by the Duke, where I used to live.
Megan had an intriguing idea. Paolo is leader of the Howlers.
Oh boy.
He wants Vice Overseer Byrne killed, and of course, Byrne wants Paolo dead too. Both groups will attack you on sight, but walk in with the corpse of their chief enemy, and they'll treat you like family.
So that gives me at least one way into Aramis Stilton's house.
I'm pretty sure that will work.
I'm gonna team up with Paolo.
Coming back here, seeing it changed, run into the ground. Some people have reached beyond others.
Alright then, board the skiff for the Dust District soon. There's usually a mission every time I come into this area. What's this one gonna be? Note from Sokolov. Corvo, it's true, I don't tinker with mechanical devices much anymore, but I'm not as old as to be useless just yet. Behold, I have fashioned a little contrivance for you, using only parts scattered from these wretched vessels. Yes, alright, a few bits were currently in use, but I assure you none were involved in keeping us afloat. Say nothing to Megan, as her disposition needs no further soaring. In any case, may this device serve you well. Spring Razor. Huh. That's cute. I wonder who smashed your blood flies. Okay. Is there a mission for this one? There's usually a mission every single time. Watch the mana regen. Oh yeah, that's fast. That's fast. Not fast, but fast. Fast enough. Stop it. Go into the skiff. And my sprint speed's definitely faster.
Ready now?
Yeah, alright, let's go.
We'll take Megan's skiff closer.
Where's Megan anyway? Dust District. You must travel through the Dust District to Aramis Stilton's Manor, which contains more of Delilah's secrets. Vice Overseers Byrne and his religious followers are at war with Paolo, leader of the Howler Gang. Either Byrne and Paolo will aid you for a favor. So we make one angry at us, or we just take one out silently, and then we deliver it to their enemy. And I'm going to team up with Paolo. There's actually an achievement for teaming up with both sides. One, like, not at once, that's impossible. But, like, one achievement for teaming up with the Howlers, and one team for teaming up with the Abbey. Hey,
I
Circle.
didn't know Aramis Stilton. Who was he?
Loyal to the old Duke. Stilton helped build modern Karnaca with those silver mines. Worked his way up from nothing to a fortified mansion. But the new Duke spends money so fast, the mine crews work all day and all night. The district's in ruins. The dust drives out anyone except the most desperate.
The Duke of Serkonos has made a mess of things.
Yeah,
His
he has.
father was a good man.
True, but the new Duke's misery has only been possible with Dunwall's support. In any case, you'll have to pass through the Dust District. Maybe Stilton's still in there, or maybe he's dead.
Batista. Oh.
Find Megan once you reach the Dust District. She'll tell you more. I'll wait here with this skiff and take you back to the dreadful whale after you finish.
So Megan's here somewhere. Alright, see you, Cyclops. Alright, what's around here? It's raw whalebone. Windmill operations. Check wind speed. Windmill will only turn with sufficient speed. Danger. High wind may overcharge security system. See appendix wall of light. Ensure gear works are free of debris. Oil mechanism in accordance with schedule. See section 30. Remove nesting animals or vermin such as birds, rats, or bloodflies. During emergency, disengage your windmill using lever located on maintenance platform. With windmills disengaged, check wooden blades for cracking or loose supports. Wax wooden blades in accordance with schedule. See section 30. Periodically, gears, blades, and other parts must be repaired or replaced as specified in section 10. Alright then. Hey, Megan! Oh.
Huh?
Oh, shit.
Our squads patrol through the Dust District anymore.
Orders, Duke. We're losing too many people. Good soldiers blinded by that hallucinogenic powder the house.
Okay, I can't see.
Then stabbed to death or dragged down by the Abbey's house.
Where the fuck?
One young lieutenant.
I was about to say, how was I holding on to that?
That was it. She was one of the Duke's distant cousins or something.
Can I, like, go on there? I don't think I can.
Shit. Let's hope they do enough damage to each other so the fight goes out of them.
That won't happen until someone manages to kill either Paolo or Vice Overseer Byrne. And I don't see you
I guess that's why I'm here.
beating the test. To the Crone's hand, or up to the temporary stronghold the Abbey's got set up.
Alright, what's up here?
cleaning silver dust out of my ears.
Never earned those medals. I'm twice the silver.
Grant. Alice, that's an assignment. All apples and slippers.
E-N-G-H-B-K Elemental.
Hey, mate.
Dust storm coming.
Oh, shit. Will they actually harm me? Blow me away! Alright, I got double shot now. Wow, that's it's not hurting me, so that's good. Oh, it blows things though. That's bad. What the fuck is wrong with you, Josh?
Finish my then I can go home, put my feet up.
Can't see anything past that area. Oh, that's bad. I can't tell where he is.
We gotta get back to Dunwall.
No way! Hey, who is... No, you...
Yeah, that's why I was worried. I didn't know where he was. Will I have to use another stun mine? I probably will. I like stun mines. I don't know why I like stun mines. It just makes everything easy. They run to their doom. Okay, I'm gonna put down a stun mine. Right here. Okay, mate. Coming over here.
Where did you go? What's going on? Someone's shooting at us! Did you hear that?
So, let's see. What was it?
What? No.
Really? I hate you. Anyway.
Huh?
Where did you go?
I fucking hate you.
Who are you?
What? Up.
Don't let him escape!
Oh, I actually made it. Nice.
I'm coming!
So I can reach up there. I just need to be on that area. So I should really get the body up there. And quick save. Are you gonna realize, mate? No? Oh, that's just annoying. Okay, quick save, see if he notices this. Wow. You're a blind motherfucker. Alright then. Anyone else? Yeah, there's one more guy. I like my running speed now. What? 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 Okay. Also, what if Megan's part of Paolo's group? I just realized that she's in the Dust District. Dust District involves Howlers. What?
I thought that... No!
Hi. Did that count? Fucking counted. I'm so happy I have redirected Blink. It freezes time, but it doesn't do it fast enough. I wasn't crouching. That was my fault. I was not crouching. But still.